Wow.
It's the two pillows for me. What are we? It's the two half pillows for me. What's that? What is that gonna do? Y'all, our hotel for the first night is ghetto as hell. Y'all, it like, this is, look at the wall. Like, it's just so bad. They catfish the frick out of me. Good thing we're only here to sleep. TV ain't even on a stand. Are you kidding me? Ain't even on a stand. We got half a pillow. Oh, frick. It's the TV not working for me. It's nothing in this hole working for me. Like, what? You want a room tour? Room tour? Oh my God. It's a hole in the bathtub. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is treacherous. We had to check if it was bed bugs. Y'all, look at this. The carpet ain't even on the wall. Look at the carpet. Y'all, I'm not that cheap, y'all. They catfish me, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures they showed me. Water's finna be brown. No way. You don't work? There's no way I'm not. First of all, this ain't even connected to the damn wall. Am I slow or am I like... Yo, look at this lamp. They DIY'd this lamp. They literally cut this lamp. It's not even. Like...
Time to get up, my boy. It's non-uniform day today.
Them man come with a bag of chat, not me, I put it in motion. Came back whistle falls, Carty's got girl busting it open. Can't wipe them, it's long. Know that sniper, leaving it smoking. Smashing past them girl, told them man don't deal with emotions. Baby, they're looking all fabulous. Thinking just how will I manage it. Sip on the Maggie and beat up the pussy, and I got the Ray in the cabinet.
Bruv, why the hell are you in uniform right now? Gee, I forgot it was non-uniform day. Bro, we literally spoke about this on Friday. Have a fresh trim, have a fresh outfit ready for Monday. It's Monday and you look like a dickhead. Oh gee, I'm done now. Everyone's gonna crease at me. Right, firstly, I now can't be seen with you. Secondly, you're gonna have to go jump into your PE kit, bro. You can't be the only fucker here in a shirt and tie. Right, I'm gonna see you in lesson, bro. Fix up. Gee, I'll figure it out, I promise. Yeah, bando baby. I managed to get this football top from Lost and Found. Gee, I didn't think it would come to this, but come link me in the toilets. Alright, I'll meet you in there. So what's going on, bro? Why are you shutting the door? You'll always be my brother.